Hi friends, we shall know regarding another important line in the palm history. Let us know now. That is fame line. Here you see under the sun mount we can see this line. This is a fame line. This is the fame line. Or we can also call it as a job line, or it is a work line or career line we can call it. See here, basically this line tells about the person having one particular job in a astrology. For example, if that line is starting from here and directly went and reached to the below sun sun finger, means it is absolutely called as a what you call job line, or also we can call it as a fame line. Fame, international fame, what can get if that line is very straight enough and reaching to the sun mount, means we usually call it as the fame line, and the person who is having this line is certain he will going to get an international fame. So let us see what are the other types of fame lines where we can see in the palm. First of all, I will take the test. Okay, you see, if the fame line is started here, a single standing vertical line is there, and there is no straight line in a long manner, means it is also a fame line, and where we can get a fame from this line also, but it comes later part of our life. So that is what we need. So it is for example, you see this is the heart line. So the line is here, means that this is the see, this is a what we call a lifeline, headline, and a heart line. So that fame line is started from a heart line, means it is only the fame is going to be that you are going to get after the 50 years of age. So that you are going to get a fame. And here two vertical lines are there, means that person is going to get a good job in his lifetime. And if it is triangle is there in the base of that line, means that person is going to do his job in a very dedicative manner. And if that line is going to start it, see that line going to start it from the here, means that this person will going to get a financial or a job in the foreign countries, where you see the moon is always what we call it is Chararashi, where we can call it is a movable planet. So the line which is coming from this line is being called as the fame line, and that is coming from moon, means that popularity or fame is going to get from the foreign countries, or one of the lady in his life going to get a we can make him to become famous in his life. And if this line having associated, if the line is for example this straight line is there, so from that one branch coming and joining here into the fame line, means certainly he will going to get a fame by the help of his hard work or dedication, that he is going to get his fame. And you see, this line must have that so downwards line like this will tells that that person is going to lose his popularity or fame, that is going to tell. And any cuts, so any cuts in this line are this heart line and what do you call heart line and line line. Both are down, cutting down. No, that is not considered as a cut. The what you call barriers. They are only the meeting points of hotline and what you call headlines. And some other lines are coming and cutting like this means that is called as a hindrance in the frame. One can say. And if the line is ascending in the sense, for example, you see that line is thick in the beginning and downwards here like sharp is there means it is considered as a downwards line, and in the base it is strong and going onwards it become thin means we call it as ascending line or a rising line. So here you see this line is very good, not this line. So this line is telling that you are going to lose your fame. Here, get more fame. If you are having this kind of line, means to say in the base of the line there must be thick, and proceeding onwards it is rising. There it is going to be thin means it is called as rising line. If it is coming downwards and becoming sharp means we can call it as a downwards line. You see rising line always is considered as an auspicious, and this downwards lines are also called always called as a we call bad lines, and they are going to give negative impact in the person's life. And if the any branches who are going upwards. For example, you see here the branch is going upwards like this means we can call this line as a that popularity or fame going to be doubled in the concerned time of this fate line. See, fate line also can be divided into the same way. That is to say, from the beginning, from here to here, we are goes on dividing into 10 parts. Huh? So every one part is representing 10 years. Here, in whichever the area which we are, this branch is there towards upward, means that time he is going to get a what you call fame in his lifetime. So that is a important thing that you want to know. So next one is this fame line is you see this fame line going to start it from here means it is a place of Mars. So that line is coming from Mars and joining to the this sun mount means that is considered that person will going to become a famous because of his extreme adventurous activities. That is what we can see. So next here you see one more thing that we can that line is coming from here and joining here means that line indicate that that person will uh, that person will going to get a fame from his that his family members, from the support of his family, or it could be told that it is Venus place. If it is that line is started from here means that line indicate he is having what we call cultural activities such as singing, dancing, such kind of activities also bring him to fame. That is also one thing that we can going to know regarding this. Then what are the other factors that they are going to get means you see if some line here is there no? From the you see this line is there means this line is broken in some way. You see there here broken means that area where that person is going to lose his fame. If there is a line beside it, a single vertical line beside it means that person, even though that is going to lose his fame, but somebody is there to support him. Somebody is there to support him. Due to his presence, he will not going to lose his fame. So next, if it is any rectangle or square like this means that also protect the person from getting the uh, losing of his fame or job. If any triangle is placed on the line means that is known as extremely good symbol. If that person who is having that line is going to get a international fame also, and that person who is having this line on this line means that person can going to construct a new house for that person. That is also indicate that he is going to get a house for him during that period. So that is what all about this frame line, and if that on this frame line there should not be any cross or a star or that means to say island symbol like this. So such kind of symbols should not be there. You see, these kind of symbols should not be there. So islands like this, that is also should not be there. If it is these kind of symbols are not present and it is going in a very straight manner without having any defects mean certainly that person will going to get international fame, and he will not lacking of money. He is always earning money from different sources, and he will get famous from these activities, and he is also one of the greatest administrator also. As you know, the son is a what we call representative of the administration, so that person is going to get a greatest administrator, and he will learn a greatest skills how to control the people and how to be lead the people in a strong manner. Thank you friends, thank you, and subscribe my channel if you still not subscribed, comment and share it if you are interested to know more about your farm. Please what do you call, comment or what do you call, chat with me. My number is given in the description section. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Thank you. Bye.